Hi guys, Dimitris from Vehicle Aftermarket Installations on site. So today's job it is installing a camera on this Silver Sun Caravan. So this is another example that I need you to see because lots of customers are asking how I can put the camera at the back, an aftermarket camera. So what we'll see right here, well, obviously there is no harness from the manufacturer for the camera. So we have a camera up there. It is waiting to be installed. So just a little bit of, how to do that. So we have the camera right here. And unfortunately we cannot drill like the previous video that I show you with another example. And I will explain why we cannot drill. We can't drill through this this wall. So we're gonna put the camera right here, and then we will run the wire on top of that, and then we'll bring it all the way down to the chassis. So I will show you later how it will end up. But the good thing is, well, the majority of the cameras of the Caravans, they do have this one. So we will hide the wire inside here, and then we'll go underneath the chassis into the, we'll follow any other harnesses. So let's have a look why we cannot drill inside here. We can't drill inside here because, as you can see, it is pretty busy, okay? And then we can't go here because it's the shower. You can't drill the shower. So in this case, we'll go the other way and we'll do an external installation of the cable for the camera. It has to go to the A-frame. So we install the camera right there on the cable over here. Put it inside here, and then we'll go all the way down, following. Okay, we just finished the installation of the camera. Here it is, the woza cable connector. The woza cable, actually, it is waterproof right here, and it went through the chassis inside there all the way to the back. And as I told you, came up here all the way up there, and our camera is right there waiting to be hooked up on the car. Okay guys, so we did the installation also on the car, the screen. And we also, as I told you before, we've done the woza cable. The woza cable, for those who's asking all the time what is woza cable, it is this setup right over here. It is a coil cable provided by Safety Dave, and this is the bracket on the car. So you have this plug right over here, okay, and this one will go into there. Lift this up, please. Okay, so it goes in there. Okay, and then you screw this ring in order to secure it. The same thing here into the Caravan. Yep, just like that. So it has the same configuration. Either way, it is exactly the same. Okay, and now we are connected. So this is the woza cable. So you can use it. It comes with the other one with the tabs, as you already know. But if you want that one, it is more handy, let's say. So we have the screen right here. Okay, Just a little bit of an update for the screens, because I just had a phone call from another customer, and he was worried because his Caravan, it was an old one, and it has the old-fashioned cameras, the CCD PAL NTC cameras, which it wasn't high definition. So I have to let you know that if you have the old camera, all the new screens, they are compatible with the old cameras. Okay, so we turn on the vision right here. You can see it is significantly better than the old cameras. You can see how the high definition, this is the SD AHD7 7-inch screen, input for 2 cameras, V1 V2 change from video 1 video 2. Now in our case we don't have a video 2, but you will see the channel 2, so you change right there and you got the video 1. So as I told you before, the new screens are compatible with the old cameras, whereas the new cameras are not compatible with the old screen. So if you have a screen that it is not AHD, but you have a camera that it is AHD and you don't have a screen, you have to upgrade to the new one. Well, that should be all for today. Thank you for watching.